About 5 days ago, an F1 tornado came through here. Unfortunately, we're about 5 days since then, so a lot of the damage has been cleaned up, but the mission today is to try and find as much of that damage as we can. It's crazy because there are tornadoes in Wisconsin, but usually you never see them. This would have been the first one I've ever seen. I wasn't here at the time, but it would have been kind of cool to see. Anyway, let's drive around on the Sur Ron and see if we can go find some of that damage. Already you can see a lot of it. Look at those huge trees just destroyed. And I think they said some of it landed on the fence over there. Let's go inspect. A lot of damage right there. And when this all happened, all these trees were all over the road, but the road crew already came to clean them up. So we're just gonna find some leftover damage here. Oh no, one of these landed on the fence, and then oh, thank God, the jump is still safe. Nothing hit that, that's good. Tornado went on for like 4 or 5 miles. So let's drive around the countryside and see what other damage we can find. Let me hit this jump once. And now in this cornfield on my drive in, I saw a ton of damage. Like half the corn in this field is down. Now here you can kind of see a view of it. A lot of the corn is like pulled out, ripped out of the ground. Over there in the distance you can see the trees. It looks kind of like Jurassic Park. A bunch of the trees are ripped out. Through here you can kind of see all the trees are like smashed and ripped up at the top. Actually, I just thought of a fun game here. Let's see if we can drive through this field. That farmer's gonna have not so many crops this year. By the way, I just moved my foot pegs up to the front. And let me say, it's so much better. Really hard to do though, because there's Loctite on one of them and it's impossible to get it off without stripping the nut. All right, so here's more damage here. There's a giant tree out, Here's a tree ripped off at the top, pulled out of the ground. Holy crap. Look at all this devastation. There's another big one ripped out. Wow. Let's go see if there's any damage to any of these houses. All right, so the tornado went through this field here, I think. So let's check this out. I'm gonna get so many bugs. All right, tornado went through here, I think. Maybe, oh yeah, I think it went up over that hill actually. Yeah, this tree is gone. They already got that taken care of. So the path must have came, yeah, right through here. And then I think it went over this hill, right past this person's house. You can see a lot of leaves and stuff off of this tree here. That's half ripped out. Oh my God. Yep, here's the path here. Tree on that house. Good thing the house didn't get ripped up. Looks like it went right through here. And then the map said it went over the lake. Right over here you can see. Bunch of more damage. This tornado just barely missed all these houses. This is crazy. All right, let's go check the other side of the lake. Trees thrown about. That tree's half broke. Alright, so the path went over the lake that way. So now we're gonna go look over there, see what kind of damage is over there. Alright, so it went, looks like, well, there's some giant trees gone over there. There's the path. Look, you can see a clear hole right through the woods here. I'm guessing that's right where it went. Looks like this house kind of got missed a little bit. Looks intact. You can see some of the shingles are off the roof. Looks like they're burning all their trees over there, all the trees that fell over. Yeah, look at that. They're burning in the back too. There's trees down everywhere. That's the end of the tornado vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.